Good evening, everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with CNN News 18. I'm Shivani Gupta. Amidst the growing COVID crisis nationally, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now sent an important signal to the country that the fight against COVID is all that matters right now. The Prime Minister in a tweet said that he will be chairing a COVID review meet tomorrow, hence he will not be travelling to West Bengal. Remember, he was supposed to hold 4 rallies tomorrow ahead of the 7th phase of polls, tomorrow being the last day of campaigning too. This shows, of course, the seriousness of the COVID fight that has climbed atop the entire country like a tsunami and is not showing any signs of settling across the country. Remember, India crossed the dubious mark of 3 lakh plus new COVID infections today, the highest peak now anywhere in the world since 2020, since the pandemic began. Indeed, the fears that did not come true in the first wave for India are now coming true, with the entire medical infrastructure also completely overwhelmed. So today we discuss on the show how elections are now finally on the back burner. Will this message also be emulated by others? Can the bickering stop? Can the Prime Minister bring everyone on board? And will all hands on deck ensure to beat COVID? Let's go across to our guest joining us, Madhu Gaur Yakshi, a Congress spokesperson, Dr. Nikhil Prasun of the BJP from West Bengal, both joining us on the show. Dr. Prasun, I want to come to you first. Of course, the Prime Minister is a star campaigner for you, so that is going to be extremely important. But this is, of course, the most important thing right now. In fact, on this, we are getting some more breaking news also coming in. Details now coming in of when exactly that COVID review is going to take place. That's at 9 a.m. The Prime Minister is going to review COVID-19 related situation. At 10 a.m., he will interact with the chief ministers of the high burden states. At 12:30 p.m., he will hold a meeting with leading oxygen manufacturers in the country. So back-to-back meetings. And Maria Shakil is joining us for more on this.
Yes. So series of meetings lined up, and that is the reason why the Prime Minister had cancelled all 4 public meetings that he was scheduled to address in Bengal. Bengal, of course, goes to polls in 2 more phases now. So tomorrow at 9 a.m. there will be an internal review meeting, which is more to be attended by top officers in the Prime Minister's office, those in the Health Ministry, road transport as well, because green corridors have been created for transportation of oxygen cylinders and oxygen tankers. And at 10 a.m., there are chief ministers of high burden states, particularly Maharashtra, Delhi, Chhattisgarh and other states which are carrying 80% of the caseload will be present in that video conference meeting with the Prime Minister. And 12:30 will be the meeting with the oxygen manufacturers, because there is a need to really speed up, scale up, first production, then transportation of oxygen is what the Prime Minister has been highlighting.
Yes, Maria, thank you so much for bringing us those details. Really just going on to show the seriousness with which we all need to come together. The Prime Minister has to lead from the front. He is the Prime Minister. I was going across to Dr. Prasun, who is on the show with us. Madhu, I'll come to you as well. We're also joined by Manojit Mandal of the TMC, and Aman Sharma, our senior editor, is also joining us, tracks the PMO very closely. Dr. Prasun, I was coming to you first. You know, he is your star campaigner, but he's also the Prime Minister. Right now, the Prime Ministerialship comes first.
Yeah, of course. Good evening. Actually, it is getting echo. So, what I would like to state here, through you to the whole country, that he happens to be the star campaigner for the whole country, not for the party. Now, having said that, I think he has set an example for the whole country. And I think he has to be emulated by all and sundry. You know, lot of fingers were being raised, lot of, pejorative statements were being issued by everyone against him. Now, he has shown the way. He has cancelled all the rallies, while in the last 2 days, Honorable Chief Minister and one who is very dear to her, they conducted more than 14 rallies in last 2 days, brushing aside all the norms of COVID protocols. And he has, before this as well, for last few days, he has conducted almost, several meetings. Initially he started with the chief minister, followed by governors, and then he started, talking with the pharmacy people, the manufacturers, the oxygen suppliers, the doctors, and he has been taking one meeting after the other. He has already set an example, the way the 162 PSA oxygen plants, the way oxygen rails, the way the remdesivir has been banned to be exported, the way, the vaccine production has been augmented, the way he has, promulgated that those above 18 years of age, they are going to get vaccinated from 1st of May. He has taken, a series of measures based on which it can safely be concluded that this this the crisis of a great enormity, which humanity has seldom faced. I think we are going to overcome this, and an atmosphere of optimism is required to be created. And the step which he has taken, the nation stands behind him in this fight to overcome the menace of COVID.
Manojit Mandal, will the Chief Minister in West Bengal, for example, also emulate this? You know, we saw that she had not attended any COVID review meeting for 3 months, but she then made statements regarding the COVID situation in the last couple of days. We all need to focus on COVID first, Manojit. Would you at least agree on that? Let the bickering and the viciousness of the election just stop for a few days.
Yeah, first of all, I mean, she has already cancelled so many of her rallies. She's not holding any rally in Calcutta that she has announced a week ago. So it's not the question of emulating.
But
it's the other way
rallies are
around.
still going on. I'm not really questioning your rallies. BJP rallies are also going on. It's not the question of rallies alone. She is also a Chief Minister.
I'm saying that Chief Minister has already cancelled her rallies in Kolkata. There are still 2 phases of elections in Kolkata, and she has cancelled all her rallies in Kolkata a week ago. So that's the point number 1. And point number 2, there is no question of not attending the meeting by Prime Minister. For the last 3 months, we did not have any cases in Bengal. Till end of March, we had barely 100 or 200 cases. The cases are rising in Bengal only in the last 2-3 weeks, and that's because of the presence of so many outsiders who are coming out from outside the Bengal. And that's amply clear.
You are still sticking to your outsider narrative even at an hour like this. I mean, what is the difference about outsiders and insiders today?
Please let me complete. What is your problem, madam? I don't understand.
No, does it sound right now to say that only outsiders have COVID?
No. That is my narrative. I will still continue to say this. You may protest,
is it scientific to say that only outsiders from Bengal have COVID? No Bengalis have COVID.
In Bengal, when I'm saying this, I'm taking full responsibility. That in Bengal, in the end of March, we did not have COVID cases. The COVID cases are rising because of presence of outsiders. It's coming from our other states. I mean, what are we talking about? Despite the rallies being held from month of December, did we have cases in Bengal?
Sir, that is the national graph. That is not unique to West Bengal.
She happens to be the health minister of the state. Instead of painting while she was on leave
now
for 1 day.
Your friend has also come in.
Okay, one by one.
Not debate. No,
you are also my friend.
You
are also my friend.
You are also my friend. That you have.
Manojit, calm down, please. This is a discussion only. This is not a monologue only. Okay, both of you, please calm down. Let me go to Madhuji. He has been waiting. Manojit, you've got your time. Please, every day, don't come and pretend like you're not getting time. I mean, come on.
You are not allowing me to make a single sentence. And you are talking about monologue and he has...
I will come back to you. There are other people, Manojit. You cannot use this every time. You have made your points.
No.
Well, you have made 2 of your points. Let me go across to Madhuji now. I will come back to you. No, this kind of, you can't hold this gun on my head all the time like this. This is not right.
Allow me to complete a single sentence. What are you talking about?
No, but you have to be patient. I'm not even debating with you, sir. Just give me time to go to other guests. They are also waiting. We'll come back to you. Madhuji.
You come back to me. You allow me to complete a single sentence.
God.
You ask yourself, what is oh my God? When BJP person was speaking, making all kinds of nasty allegations, when did you see that Mamata Banerjee was not attending COVID meetings?
No, he did not say that
only the
for
last
you.
meeting,
I said
only
that.
The last meeting. No, you said this.
Yes, I said that. He did not speak about Mamata Banerjee. That's what I'm saying.
How could you transmit untruth about a chief minister?
But she hasn't attended it. This is not
you have right to transmit a lie about the chief minister.
See, he's trying to derail the entire debate. Madhuji, I want to come to you. Do you think this bickering that is happening between various states, this can stop now? This should stop now. The Prime Minister tomorrow is going to meet the chief ministers of some of the worst affected states. Can we all come together really? This shouldn't no longer be about blaming one another.
Let me clarify here. Let the country knows what our Prime Minister has failed to this nation. It's a disgusting. It's a disappointing. People are dejected. People are dying day in, day out. Oxygen is not available not only in Delhi, across the country. Same thing when Mr. Gandhi cancelled rallies last week. What a responsible minister, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, said it. He said it. They never not even responded, and he said Congress is losing because he's cancelled the rallies. Prime Minister should have been set example to every political party. What you just asked us, can come together. This should have been a message from the Prime Minister when the rest of the countries are already prepared. They've locked down and they prepared much in advance. What is the Prime Minister doing till today? What even why is he waiting for tomorrow? Can't he have any review meeting? Should have been done a week ago.
No, there
When
was
Rahul
a
Gandhi
meeting a week
tweeted to
ago.
allow foreign vaccines to allow, they accused Congress party saying that you're lobbying for foreign pharmaceutical companies. This has been going on. Serum company has tweeted in January last that he has no storage facility. You need to increase, and he's asking for more funds from the center, and Prime Minister was sleeping on it. Why Prime
Rahul
Minister was
Gandhi is now
waiting
saying
all
that
these
Serum
days?
Institute is Modi's friend and he is benefiting from what the government has
Yes.
announced.
It is not Mr. Gandhi. He's been pointed out why we need vaccines. You should have a strategy. You should have a plan. This is in first phase. Okay, first COVID wave you failed and you failed to recognize it. When February 2020, Mr. Rahul Gandhi tweeted, the health minister joked about it. He said no COVID in the country.
No, I'm trying to
And
understand
Prime Minister,
that as
now
far as the new
coming to the
vaccine
point
strategy
here,
is concerned,
why Prime
are
Minister
you
is
in
waiting
favor
for
of this or
today?
not? The new
Why
vaccine.
is
Sir, one
waiting
second,
for even
Prasunji, I will
today?
come back to you.
Why can't even have a review meeting a month ago? It
There was a
failed the
review meeting a
nation.
week ago,
My
sir.
own family, every family been affected. I'm getting calls, people begging for a bed.
Yes,
And
I know
Prime Minister
that. But
sleeping
my
over it.
question to you is that can you blame the Prime Minister alone here? Why do we have chief ministers?
Prime Minister, it's a central government is distributing the vaccine.
No, but now
States
that
have
they're
no
opening up,
authority.
also now states have
The
problems.
license to produce more oxygen should be given by the center.
They
What
have
is
set up
sleeping?
new plans.
Delhi
Is
is under
that the
control of
only
Home
issue
Minister.
arising today?
Where is Home Minister? Where is Mr. Shah? He's busy in West Bengal when Delhi
Okay.
is dying. People are dying, lack of
I think-
oxygen. Where is the Home Minister?
If I
Why
start
can't he hold
dictating-
Okay,
meetings?
Prasunji, I'll
Was
give
he
you time one
sleeping?
by one.
Is
one
he
by one.
waiting for Prime Minister to come?
Okay,
Is he
now
not Home
Prasunji
Minister of the
respond
country?
to both Manojit Mandal and to Madhuji.
What is the question?
Should I speak now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, if I start dictating the number of steps which has been taken by Honorable Prime Minister, I think it will take 2 hours for me to complete it. Now, he has had a series of meetings. He has been working throughout, day in and day out for last almost 7 days. There have been series of meetings which I have just talked about. He has taken, for example, Remdesivir, banning the export. Remdesivir,
The
trebling
same
the
Prime
production.
Minister
Oxygen,
lauded the rallies
162
in West
PSA
Bengal.
plants.
My
Oxygen
friend,
train.
He was
Against the
inviting
requirement
people
of
to attend the
against the
rally in
requirement
September.
of 6,785
Was it shameful on
oxygen
the Prime
metric ton of
Minister?
oxygen. We have already
Was
allocated.
he-
Honorable Prime Minister
was he
has already
inviting
allocated
rally people to come to the
One
rally?
by one, sir, let him
6,820
finish
people.
now.
Listen to me.
Otherwise,
Let the
neither
people
of
of
you
the
are
country know
audible.
what-
One by one, one
Let
by
the
one.
people of the country know
Prasunji,
about
I
the
think
steps
the
taken.
basic premise that they are saying is that all of this, the intervention of the Prime Minister has come too late.
Is it
No,
too
not
late?
at all.
Too little.
Not at all. I think while the rallies were being carried out in West Bengal, what do you think the Prime Minister was
He
sitting
should have cancelled
idle?
long ago. Why
Along
don't
with
you
the
cut all
rallies, he
all
was
the
taking
remaining
care for
polls
the
in
whole country.
one day?
The things were moving.
Okay.
Now the vaccine. This
What?
has
Where
been
is
the
moving?
inimitable
I
vaccine
want to
drive
ask-
in the history of the
One
world.
second, okay, one
Almost
second, please,
14
one
crore
second.
people.
Madhuji, I
We
want
have
to
already-
ask you a question. For example, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister says that the center did not warn us. How can a Chief Minister say something like that? Since January, warnings are being given and Chhattisgarh has been one of the worst affected. Its data and graph is for everyone to see. Are Chief Ministers also not abdicating their responsibility?
Let me say on record, whether it is Chief Minister, Prime Minister, it is their primary duty to protect every citizen of their state and the country. It is the Prime Minister who is holding meetings, series of meetings with the Chief Ministers. It is Prime Minister and Center holding the key for vaccines and COVID measures. It is Prime Minister who failed the nation. He can take
I
task
think
of
this is
any
highly
Chief Minister, be it
objectionable.
a Chhattisgarh Chief Minister or any Chief Minister of the country.
Your Chief Minister
Nothing to do with the
was saying
politics.
Chhattisgarh
It's the
Chief
Prime
Minister was
Minister.
saying that
It's the
they
Prime
will not be
Minister's
allowing
fail.
Covaxin
It is
in
second
any
wave was
state.
coming.
Many Congress
Including
leaders.
But
Chair
sir,
and
second
ATC
wave,
and
everybody
series
knew
of
was coming.
discussions on this
We were
every
in
day.
media
The
alarming
second
the
wave is
public
coming.
and states
Where was
since
the Prime Minister?
mid-February.
He's busy in
Chhattisgarh was the only
Bengal
state to
election.
refuse to use Covaxin. How can you raise a question on vaccines
No,
today?
you're wrong. You're wrong.
No, I did an
no
interview with the
state-
health
Why
minister
Bharat
in
Jojo
Chhattisgarh.
state was
has
ridiculed by you.
refused.
He said we
Let
will not
me
use
make it very
Covaxin
clear.
even after the second
Let me
clinical
make it
data.
very
Sentiments
clear.
were resonated
The
in other circles as well.
vaccine distributed
in
by
the
the
opposition
center,
camp.
administered by the center. It is center which is giving Covaxin or
Indigenous
Covishield.
But you
No
refuse
state
to use
has a
it.
choice.
In-
How
It is
can
the
a chief
individual
minister or
has a
any
choice to
chief
which
minister say
vaccine
we
can
didn't know
take.
what was happening? The center should have warned us.
Nobody-
The
no,
center
no,
did warn
no,
them.
no,
On
no,
top of
no
that,
state
if the
minister,
center government
no
has to
state
do
have an
everything,
option
what are the state
concurrently,
governments
if they
for?
want it.
Remember, the state government said we want more flexibility in how we manage our COVID crisis. Give us the freedom, give us the flexibility. Now that that has happened, opposition leader is saying, how can you do this? I want to give 30 seconds to Manojit
Yes.
Mandal also. Manojit,
But
what is the
if
way
it has
forward
to
for
be
West Bengal? Because
that's
West Bengal is the only state that
Health
still
is
has
under
elections
state
to go.
government.
This is a tricky challenge for you. The TMC, that is.
First of all, what is this discriminatory pricing about the vaccines? Why the central government is getting the vaccine at 150 rupees and we have to buy it on 400 rupees? What is the discrimination? Why does 150? Why does 250 rupees go? We want to understand. And about the second wave, the scientists of the world has been warning India since October. Look at what United Kingdom did. They went under lockdown in the month of February because they knew it. Germany, France, some kind of restrictions were there. And in the month of February, our Prime Minister was talking about the fact that world should learn from us how to fight COVID. This is what we have now come to.
Okay.
Now, because the
pricing-
simply cases are going out of your hand, you are shifting responsibility to the state.
Okay.
You
The
have
central
failed
government are
entirely.
going to vaccinate
You have
the
failed.
people
What
of
have
this
you
country
done
who
with
belong to
this
some state
10,000
or the
rupees
other.
PM care fund?
they are going to
We
share
want
the
to
burden
know
of the states
how
only.
much money has been spent out of that
Okay,
fund.
I have to
Only
give Aman
2,000
some
or
time also.
3,000
He has
rupees.
waited very
You have
patiently.
failed the entire nation.
Aman,
Look
this
at
is
the
becoming
way
a bit of a
mass
problem,
activity
isn't it?
going
The
on.
problem
the
is that
prerogative of the
ultimately
state
the Prime
government to
Minister's head will be on the line. He's the leader of the country. The chief ministers don't seem to be taking much of the responsibility, even though health is a state subject, law and order is a state subject. The states had the powers to do local containment. They're the ones who are still deciding to go for lockdowns. But let's focus on the Prime Minister's decision. He's cancelled his rallies, which were already they were already restricted to just 500 people. Now he's going to make one digital address tomorrow.
Yeah. See, there's been a lot of political wrangling over the campaign in West Bengal on both sides. Now, when you see the PM's campaign, PM was last in Bengal like 4 or 5 days back. He was supposed to go tomorrow. Now he's cancelled his trip. Obviously, due to the COVID situation and because he has important meetings lined up tomorrow, including with the high burden state CMs, 8 or 9 of them, which he'll be meeting tomorrow. See the situation of Bengal right now. It has nearly 65,000 active cases. It has 10,000 cases being reported daily against 50,000 tests. That's almost a 20% positivity rate, which is very, very high. It is going towards the trajectory of Delhi. It's a very serious situation. And you here have the chief minister also, who's also the health minister of the state, who's out campaigning. We have got scheduled that tomorrow Mamata Banerjee is doing another 4 rallies. In fact, she's literally camping in Malda and Murshidabad, where she's doing these rallies. The first review she did of COVID 2 days back was also held from Malda through VC. So there has been a lot of wrangling on both sides. TMC has been saying that it's curtailed his rallies and the BJP should follow suit. Now BJP has done it, and now BJP is going to attack TMC, saying that when the PM is not going to Malda, Murshidabad, Bolpur and Calcutta to do his rallies tomorrow, why is Mamata Banerjee still doing a rally? She should go back to Kolkata and take charge as the health minister of the state as well.
Okay. The discussion, though, fortunately has moved away from rallies alone. Even BJP on the ground is doing rallies, even if the Prime Minister is not doing. He's only their star campaigner. So that's why it is not about rallies alone. This is about states and centre now coming together to ensure that they can protect their citizens. Ultimately, everybody is an Indian citizen, and that has to be done. I've run out of time, gentlemen. I do thank you for joining us.